If you're experiencing Cloud Save Error 2025 in The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. This guide will help you resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Try resetting your router or connecting to a different network. Step 2. Restart The Sims 4. Close The Sims 4 completely and restart the game. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches or errors related to cloud saves. Step 3. Clear cache files. Navigate to the game's cache files and clear them. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the error. Look for the cache folder in your Sims 4 directory and delete its contents. Step 4. Update the game. Check for any available updates for The Sims 4. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve performance. Make sure your game is up to date by launching the game launcher and checking for updates. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help you resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your experience with The Sims 4 and resolve the cloud save error. Happy gaming!